In this video, I'm going to show you how you guys can fix this error. There has been a critical error on this website. Please check your site admin email inbox for instruction. If is this error inside your WordPress or any other website, then you should watch this video from starting to end. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to go into your hosting provider. I'm using Hostinger, so that's why I'm gonna go to Hostinger. So here, as you can see that I am on my Hostinger dashboard. Then you have to go into your file manager. If you're using another hosting provider, then it can be different in your case, but I'm using Hostinger and that is very easy. Just select your domain name and then click file manager. Then you should go into the public HTML. Now here we have to go into WP content. We are facing this error because of some plugins or theme error. So first of all, we are going to disable the plugin. Disable the plugin through file manager. We are going to right click on the plugins. Then I'm gonna choose rename. Then here I will add one to here. Then I'm gonna rename the folder. Now once you're done, then you should go into your website. Then make sure that you put WP admin and then you should log in. My website is fully accessible, and if I go into WP admin and then I'm facing this error. Now let me just again check it. So as you can see that I have logged into my account and that is working pretty fine. I'm able to use my website and my website dashboard is accessible. And if I go into plugin, so now that is confirmed that I'm facing this problem because of the plugins. So now I'm gonna go back to my file manager. Then I'm gonna rename it this plugins folder over here to plugins. Then I'm gonna click on rename. Now then I will go to plugins folder. Now after changing the name of the folder to its real name, that is plugin, then I'm gonna go into my WordPress dashboard. Now as you can see that if I go into plugins, and here you will get all your plugins right over here. So you have to one by one check which plugin is responsible for this error. So let me just add inserter. I'm gonna click on activate. I'm gonna do it one by one. Then I'm gonna refresh again, reload, and that is working fine. Then I'm gonna add .txt manager. I'm gonna click on activate, reload. My website is working. I'm gonna do it one by one and I will check which plugin is conflicting with the website. So that's working fine. Make sure that we check each plugin one by one. Once you activate the plugin, make sure to reload the page to check that plugin is good for us. And now as you can see that I have activated all my plugins and no one is. Now as you can see that after activating all the plugins one by one, I'm not facing any error. If I reload the page, my website is working good. Let me just update all my plugins from here. If you're facing this error because of one plugin, then you should deactivate that plugin. I'm not facing the problem because of any one of this plugin, so that's why I didn't deactivate it. Our website is working properly fine. If I just open it again, website is already working. But if I open the WordPress dashboard, and as you can see that is also working fine. You need to make sure that your themes and plugins both are updated. So hope you guys found this quick video helpful. Make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.